welcome to the Mr. Math Experience. Today we're talking about an SAT question. Okay, let's start. We are going to pull this question from our dictionary here. We have our workshop number 1. Let's select question 11. Okay, we're going to open on a different whiteboard and it's right here. Let's read. If the length of the side of a square is x plus 1, which of the following is the length of the diagonal of the square? Immediately, mental image is taken as to draw a square, right? Okay, we have it here, and we'll draw the diagonal as well. It's right here. Okay, the side of the square, that means that is x plus 1 here and x plus 1 here. Okay, this is the diagonal. Let's change the color of the diagonal just for understanding that's our target. Okay, we're gonna give it a name to the diagonal. We're gonna call it maybe C. It's okay. Now, what we are looking here is a right triangle. If we have a right triangle, we can apply Pythagorean theorem, which says that the hypotenuse of the square is equals to each side to the square added, right? So if we call this side A and this side B, the hypotenuse, the square, is equals to one side to the square plus the second side to the square. Okay, let's replace values. We have c squared equals 2. This is x plus 1 square plus x plus 1 square. Now let's understand something in here. What we should not try to do here is to open this binomial to the square. We know that the binomial to the square is equals to the first element to the square plus 2 times the first element times the second element plus the second element to the square. We have x squared plus 2x plus 1. And this will be just for the first parenthesis. Then we can do the same for the second one. This is what we should not try to do. Instead, let's look how we are adding exactly the same algebraic expression. We call, in algebra, we call those like terms. So if we have m plus m, this is equals to 2m. If we have t plus t, similar t's, this should be 2t. If we have q plus q, this should be 2q. Exactly the same should happen here. So c squared is equals to 2 times the expression x plus 1 to the square. Now let's apply square root on both sides. We know that the square root of c squared should be the absolute value of c, but we're talking about a length. It's a measurement. We're measuring this line, so it could not be a negative number. So from there, we can just apply c. The square root of c squared just as a c, and then we have the square root of a product. Let's remember, the square root of a times b is equals to the square root of a times the square root of b. So we can distribute if we have a multiplication. This will be the square root of 2 times the square root of x plus 1 to the square. The square root of 2, we don't know what is it. Actually, an irrational number. And then the square root of x plus 1 squared, we can simplify this index with this exponent. And we'll have only x plus 1. This is a multiplication. We can distribute. Once we distribute here, okay, we'll have c equals to root of 2 times x plus root of 2. Okay, let's see if any of our options becomes this answer. And root of 2x is the same that x times root of 2 plus root of 2, so it's letter B. Okay, here we can check the answer, and effectively is letter B. All right, Thank you very much for watching. Um, Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to the website godmrmath.com and let us know, what are your questions. Do you need any help? Do you have any homework that you need help? We will be recording videos and we will upload these videos for you. Thank you very much.